When building full-stack applications, you'll often come across this error: CORS. You scratch your head and wonder, why is this happening? Often forgetting what you did last time to resolve the CORS issue. With GitHub Copilot Chat, you can resolve CORS errors in just a few minutes. Let's go to the code editor. In this Next.js application, I have a simple Express server and a React client. If I go to localhost 3000 and enter a recipe, I should get the nutritional information for the recipe. However, I'm currently receiving this CORS issue.
If we grab the error message from the console and paste it into Copilot Chat, we can ask it to explain the error we just saw. If we type \explain, then paste in the error message, GitHub Copilot Chat will explain to us what the error means and also provide us with a suggestion on how to resolve the CORS issue in my server.js file. I can accept this suggestion by clicking the Insert at Cursor button within the chat editor, save my code, and test it out. When I return to my application, enter a recipe, and click Submit, you can see that I'm now successfully receiving data from the server. If I wanted to use the CORS middleware, I can ask Copilot Chat how to implement that package in my server and replace the highlighted code. Here, you see it provides the steps to do so, and I can just copy the section of the code I need to implement this change. I return to the application, enter a recipe, and again, receive a successful response.
This is how you interact with GitHub Copilot Chat to resolve CORS issue in your application. Hope that helps.